Salvete omnes, ego sum magister salvem. We're going to talk about Eutropius 320. Again, Scipio's had lots of success in Spain, so now he's being sent to Africa, right, or to Carthage, really, because that is his offensive move. Yeah, let's go with that. All right, so we're going to do with or in, or yeah, with the or in the 14th year after Hannibal had come into Italy, right? So in plus this is the accusative into Italy. Scipio, who had done many things well in Spain, was made a consul and was sent into Africa. To which man, or to this man, it was being esteemed, or he was being esteemed to be a certain, a certain god or certain divinity, or a certain divine person, so that he was thought, or it was thought that Scipio also had conversations, or was having conversations with the divine powers, with the gods, kind of a big deal. So he fights in Africa, in Africa, against Hanno, the leader of the Africans, the Carthaginians. And he, Scipio, this is Scipio, right? He kills his army. This is Hanno's army. So Eius is going all the way with Hanno. So in the second battle, he takes the camp with 4,500 soldiers. And then with, this should be 11,000 having been cut down, having been killed, right? So this is that participle, right? The past participle, having been killed. All right, let me all the way back to here, right? All the way down here. So copied. He takes the present tense. Right. Notice that most of these verbs are present. Right. Pugnat was present. Interfic is present. Right. Copied is present here. Right. A way to make sure we understand that is if we just look at the verbs around it. And so he, Scipio, takes Syphax, or captures Syphax, and he is a king of Numidia. And he is who? He had joined himself to the Africans. Again, the Carthaginians. And he invades, he attacks his camp. Right? Camp of him, his camp. So Syphax is sent, right? Remember, this is a passive verb, is sent, right? With the noblest Numidians. And with the ultimate, with the the limitless, numberless spoils of honor. And so they took a lot of stuff. And he sent him to Rome, and who is sent? So Syphax is sent by Scipio, right? This is called an ablative agent because of this passive verb. Yay. So because of this news, okay, or so with or because, this is ablative, so we can translate as with or because or by, from this matter, from this news. Nearly all of Italy deserts Hannibal, abandons Hannibal, right? And again, this is a present verb, all right? So Hannibal himself Eubator is ordered to return to Africa by the Carthaginians. Right. So again, that's that ablative of place. I'm sorry, ablative of personal agent with the passive verb eubator, which is going to Africa, or where Scipio was laying waste. Scipio was destroying, right? Scipio was devastating. So we have ba. This is our imperfect, but most of the time we have present verbs, and then we have a few pluperfect verbs. Remember, this is a pluperfect verb. All right, so that's it. So next, we're going to have the final conflict in Carthage, at the Battle of Zama. There were probably other battles before that, but this is the decisive battle. We'll see who wins. Is it Scipio, the young general from Rome, or is it Hannibal, the greatest general of all time? Arguably, but we'll see. Until next time, Wale te omnes.